Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. For everyday tasks, the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G will be your finest buddy. It also has a huge primary camera with 108 MP and plenty of support for smartly integrated functionality, allowing for a pleasant shooting experience. Furthermore, once completely charged, a powerful battery pack housed inside ensures long-term operation. A 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a pixel density of 395 ppi and a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels is featured on the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. Furthermore, the entire visual experience is enhanced with a 29 aspect ratio and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The selfie-taking lens is hidden in a tiny punch hole. Xiaomi boasts a 108 MP primary camera, an 8 MP ultra-wide-angle shooter, a 5 MP macro camera, and a dual-color LED flash on the back. On the front, there's a 16 MP selfie shooting lens for smooth video calls and detailed selfies. Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset and a Cryo 680 octa-core CPU framework that runs at 2.84 GHz. For flawless multitasking, the company has included an Adreno 660 GPU with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The Xiaomi smartphone is powered by a non-removable 5000 mAh Li-ion battery that supports 120W HyperCharge. Internal storage on the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G is 128 GB and is not extendable. In terms of connectivity, the smartphone supports 5G, USB Type-C, 4G Volt, Bluetooth version 5.2, AGPS and GLONASS. Overall, the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G is a premium flagship phone with premium features. This is the phone for you if you're looking for a phone with a lot of power. The 120W quick charging feature means that you never run out of power, which is excellent for those on the road. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe and share.